Hey y'all, take a trip with me to Sleeping Bird Coffee located in Wilmington, Delaware. This coffee shop is the perfect place to just go chill, get some work done, or hang out with friends. The lighthearted decor and inviting nature of this shop makes it suitable for everyone. Now, the drinks are good, but the food is the star of the show. For drinks, we tried the honey cinnamon latte and the vanilla brown sugar iced latte. And for food, we ate the bread pudding loaf, scone, loaded breakfast burrito, and a turkey bacon, egg, and cheese on a cinnamon raisin bagel. Literally everything we ate was delicious. And I will be back for that bread pudding loaf again and again and again. Check them out and let me know what you think. Bye.